Hello, everybody. Annette here from Healing Together by Annette. To tell you a little bit about my background for being here on this channel. Um, like so many other people around the world, I have been very much traumatized in my childhood. Um, Mostly because of the divorce of my parents and what happened all around that for many years, and all the scars it brought into my soul and my nervous system. And I'm 63 years old now, and most of my grown-up life I have been dealing with the pain from these traumas. And of course, it has had its consequences also in many areas of my life. For instance, in my relationships and my work life and so on. And I've had a lot to deal with and been very depressed, down, and on my way to give up on it all for several times. And during the years, I have taken some therapeutic education, and I have learned how to be safe with my feelings, to be safe with all of the thoughts when they turn up. And I will say that the last many years, I've been more and more happy and more safe in my life and in my body and with being in the world. And I actually love being here now. And I have all these tools in my toolbox and all my education and all my life experiences. And I'm here to help you and everybody around the world who are in need of feeling safe, being what is going on in your life. So that's mainly why I'm here, and also to challenge myself and being more visible. And because that has been one of the consequences for me as well, being afraid of being visible. But here I am, and I wish you a wonderful Saturday. See you. Bye for now.